Welcome back to Sue's Kitchen JA. So in my video today, I'm going to show you how I cook rice and peas. So we have our garlic and we have our peas, and I'm gonna wash this about 3 times and I'm gonna put it in a pressure cooker. So this is my process. So I'm washing the peas, pushing out of all of the dirt. So now it's in the pressure cooker and I'm gonna put it to pressure for about 15 minutes. Okay, so this is the peas. We're going to add in the rice, the coconut milk, and the rest of the ingredients and let it cook together. Okay, so this is our added ingredients that we are going to need to do the final process of cooking our rice and peas. We have our washed thyme and scallion and the pepper. We have our cup of coconut milk and we have our washed rice. So we're going to put all of this in the pot and let it boil. Now I'm adding in the rice. Okay, so I add in the rice and I'm just stirring it so the rice and the peas can be evenly distributed. So we have our rice and peas. Our third ingredient is the coconut milk. Now this is what gives it the flavor. See that? Thick and nice coconut milk. So we add that in and then we stir. And finally we add in our Christmas dinner, in a special occasion dinner, rice and peas. I'm gonna show you the finished process, but this is how it goes. This is how you add in everything. So this is the rice and peas. As you can see, it have this coconut all over the front of it. Never mind that, just stir it up and get it evenly distributed. But look, we are almost there. Yeah, we're almost there. This is the final result of my rice and peas. How it came out, as you guys can see, came out beautiful. So if you have made it to the end of my video, thanks for making it. Sue's Kitchen JA. Please remember to leave a like, a share, and a comment down below and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.